Rain just a little bit, but it's still going pretty wild there. I just want to say thanks for coming. We call this the greatest thing since sliced bread baking contest, just to add in a bunch of extra words in there. We're proud to host this event each year in conjunction with the rest of the sliced bread activities. So please go enjoy the rest of those all day. You've had fun so far, Ed?
We have. I can't wait to taste the bread.
Yes, Ed tries to go to every event, so he knows what fun else is out there. We want to thank our judges. Richard Brown has been one of our long-term judges. He got off of his schedule this year, so we had an interesting judge. I won't tell you who the judges were, just in case you want to fight anybody after this, just in case. But we had a good group of judges. We also want to thank our board of directors, people that were here. Marcy, I think Linda may have been over at the church across the way, and that is open if anybody would like to see that. We'd like to thank Selma, Debbie, and our visiting friendly volunteer Wilma that used to help here. She came to help too, I'm sure, as well. But thank you for being here. Thank you. I wrote thank you also to our excellent staff for being here today. That's me. So that, I had this written for Tina to read out, so I'll thank myself. That's okay. As soon as we're done with announcing the winners, we'll do our bread slicer here, which is wild, and you can watch me adventurously slice through these things. So here are the winners, starting with the youth. Are we ready? We had less in the youth category this year, so next year, if I were you, I would find some children and enter some bread in their names, because we have some great awards to give out. So for youth savory, we have first place, which is a James Chichai for their banana bread.
Yay!
Can you just look at this little camera and give her a smile in her little camera right there? Very good. Awesome, thank you. You can stay right here. Can you scoot over here right by this little area? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. He's ready for his photo. Will you stand right over here, buddy? Right over there. Thank you. All right, first, hold on. First place in our youth sweetbread is Helen Chichai with her lemon blueberry bread.
Yay!
So if we can look over here, we'll give a smile to Marcy. Perfect. All right, in our youth yeasted bread, second place goes to Judah Fields with his dairy-free white bread. Perfect. And face this way.
Yay!
And first place in youth yeasted bread goes to Mannion Fields with white bread.
Yay!
Good. We'll smile this way.
Yay!
Perfect.
All right, everybody look at me.
Yep, everybody together.
Can't see me, I can't
Can we
see
have this
you.
little shorty up front? There we go.
Yeah,
Perfect.
there we go. All right, everybody look at, hold on, I'm going to do it this way. Sorry, everybody on the Facebook Live, you're going to hear this too. There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
You guys are a great job. You can go back and hang out with your families. All right. Next is our adult savory bread. Third place in adult savory bread is Tracy Mills with white pepper parmesan.
Woo!
Very good. We'll stand side by side. We'll do our little photo here.
Yay!
Good. Thank you. You can stay right here and we'll get a group shot. Thank you. I appreciate that. Second place in adult savory bread is Jill Nash with quick cheese bread.
She may still be at work.
She might still be at work. Very good. Okay, we'll make sure that gets her. Yay, clapping.
Yay!
Good. Okay.
Way to go, Jill.
First place in adult savory bread is Charles Smith with Arctic croissant sourdough. Very
Yay!
good. There you go. We'll get a photo right here.
Yay! Okay.
Awesome.
All right, hold on. All right,
We'll
and
do one in here as well.
yep,
In the
smile. Smile for the live. Yay, give a big wave. Woo! There we go.
Perfect. You guys can join your families now as well. Perfect. Okay, in adult sweetbreads, third place goes to Jill Nash, also not here, but we'll still give her a round of applause.
A lot of applause, yeah.
That is for
She's
banana
a
bread.
veterinarian, so she's probably still saving a lot animal lives.
Yes, animal lives. Second place in adult sweetbread is a black raspberry Danish by Kathy Lake.
Woo!
Thank you. We'll do our photo stuff.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, like, oh, here. We'll
Oh,
a
you
real
get to stay up here.
I know. We'll do a real hug for that. I know you for a long time. Good.
There we go.
Thank you. All right, and
Oh, wait, you get to stay up here.
I think she's okay. And first place in adult sweetbread is Melissa Olson with lemon blueberry bread. Perfect. We'll do a hug too. Good.
Do the face recognition of the mannequin.
Yeah. All right. In our yeasted bread, third place goes to Jill Nash. Cinnamon swirl bread, also not here again, but still applause for Jill.
Yeah, applause.
She has a nice assortment here. Adult yeasted bread, second place with cinnamon rolls, Melissa Olson. Perfect. Back again. There we go. Another thing.
Yay, cinnamon rolls.
We'll see which picture is better, and we'll choose that.
Yep.
All right. And adult yeasted bread, first place sandwich bread, Kathy Lake.
Woo!
Perfect. All right. Oh, we'll go on this side this time.
Oh, there we go. Have options. There we go.
Could I get all?
Everybody, yep. Can we get
video? I've been putting-
everybody who won a prize up here with
yeah.
Ed and Mr. Slice Bread?
Yeah, and can you mind taking a video?
I can try.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is press that button.
Well,
I
I'm
got
live
you, I
on
got
the
you.
video.
She's live on it.
Okay, well, you don't wanna read the winner, okay, yeah, because you already, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, anyway, I guess I'll just talk.
Yeah,
This-
sounds good. I'll give you a countdown. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Well, this is the winners for the sliced bread contest. We've got a big crowd out there, and these are the best breads, and I'm gonna get an opportunity to test them, to taste them, and appreciate everything the museum's done and Dustin's done, and all the hope you'll participate every year, because it's a great event, and for the whole sliced bread, it's very, very important. So thank you all for doing that. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. All right, so that's all of the winning breads are in the boardroom, and they're mostly cut up, but we're going to start by slicing the ones that are still needing to be sliced there. If I could have, okay, Britt, can you start in this room over here?
Okay.
Yep, okay. I'm just going to wash my hands. We ran out of gloves, so I'm going to have very
Hey,
nice.
can I have you hold that?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Marcy. You're in charge of that now, so I appreciate that.
It's your whole job.
Certain ones of the sticky breads and the sweet breads, we don't run through the machine, so they're already pre-sliced. You guys will get nice samples of those. Oh, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Bread King.
That's so bad.
She's gone to town for her grandson's wedding, so they said.
Sorry, stand by. Dustin is washing his hands.
Very good.
Doctor.
If you could sit up here, just so I don't mess anything up.
Sorry, yeah. As he said, we ran out of gloves, so.
We're very fresh. Yeah. Sometimes it is too tall. Don't be alarmed yet. There we go. That needs to come up. There should be a handle for that. Naturally does it. Nope.
Is it on the other one
I know.
that has the handle?
Okay.
Here,
We'll try
hold
one more
it.
time. Yeah. Oh gosh, this is so careful. Ready?
Go! Yay! Sliced bread!
We did it.
We did it! Well, that's what my niece would say. We did it! I did it!
There we go. Perfect.
Oh, you want to trade? How do you want to?
Yes. Oh, there we
Okay.
go. What a star.
She is a star. Yay! You did it!
This one looks like official sliced bread. That's a good example. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, they're going everywhere. Perfect.
What? I get a little more dramatic.
We need
Try to
bigger plates
zoom
next year.
in
I'll make sure I do that.
and slices.
Let's see.
When I go in.
We can do this. There we
Can we
go.
pause for just a moment?